You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out what is this Roman numeral. How do you say the letter I, capital I, as a Roman numeral? If you want to learn more how it works, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Number 1. One I in any number, Roman numeral, represents 1. This is number 1. So, as a date, this would be year 1. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.